The Supreme Court recently quashed a case after it found that a boy's family had refunded all expenses incurred by the girl's family at the time of engagement. The boy's family had broken off the alliance after the engagement. The girl's family had sought legal redressal thereafter from a Thane court. On trial court's order, the boy's family had paid Rs 1.50 lakhs as reimbursement. But still, the case filed under Section 420 was not withdrawn. Even the Bombay High Court had refused to grant them relief. The apex court, with prosecution's approval, felt that no case existed. The Delhi High Court wanted the centre to submit the latest version of the Model Standard Operating Procedure or SOP for keeping a track of missing children. It was responding to a plea seeking information on the efforts made by the police and the government on the matter. The Women and Child Development Ministry had filed two different versions of SOP, and this had raised the hackles of the High Court. The Election Commission was served a notice by the Supreme Court on allegations that it had not implemented an apex court's 2013 order on convicted lawmakers. The petitioner, an NGO, claimed that no systematic changes had been initiated to ensure that elected representatives were automatically disqualified from state legislatures or parliament on being held guilty by law. The plea contended that they continue to hold office despite being convicted of heinous crimes. It was time that the porters employed by the army weren't exploited, the Supreme Court ruled recently. The porters lug supplies, ration and ammunition for the army in the hilly terrain. Concerned that the system was taking them for a ride, the court took a serious note of complaints that they were not being paid minimum wages and that there was no job security for them. It wanted a detailed report on the prevailing situation. A request for filing an FIR against Prime Minister Narendra Modi had been submitted in a Pakistan court. The petitioner, Abdul Hamid, a lawyer, has alleged that Modi is responsible for killing innocent Kashmiris in the valley. He contended that the FIR must be filed under the Pakistan Penal Code and Anti-Terrorism Act. The Virginia Supreme Court recently overruled Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe's decision to give back voting rights to more than 200,000 outlaws who had completed their sentences. The court lambasted McAuliffe for issuing a sweeping order in April in this regard.